What's going on, everybody? Coming out here this morning, was looking on Google Earth and see if I could find any like ponds, like little bitty ponds just sitting around here near the house that I know no very few people come and fish at. There's some action right here actually, and I know this is a logging road over here. Looks like there's some snags in it. Could this be some trees? This is a little bitty pond. I don't know if there's any fish in it, but we will find out. I don't even know if there's any bass in here. Snag right there. Feels like I did hit a snag. Yeah, there's supposed to be a tree right in front of me. Walk this way with it, see if we can get it out. Oh, I'm gonna lose this rig. Yeah, I'm gonna lose this rig. See if I can give it some slack and maybe it'll break off, come down some. But it is freaking freezing out here. That's the only reason I fished this rig off the bottom. Yes, I'm gonna have to take this one off. It's about to come. There we go. Broke loose. I'm gonna have to go up here and tie on something else. Well, look at there. Looks like a little bass or something. He's going nuts so crazy. Yeah, that's a little bass. The little one's in here at least. That was the first cast too. I'm wiggling like this. I'm not gonna need my pliers to get the hook out. Oh, that's too close for comfort there. Nice little baby bass. Y'all see that? Small, real small. Real small. Well, We tried another pond, had no luck. We did get a little bit of time to explore and find a new pond though that's not far from my house that I saw on not Google Maps, Google Earth. I know there's a couple more ponds back down that logging road. Can't get back there by car though. I tried. I ended up having to back out. It was a lot of holes, a lot of debris, fallen trees and stuff. When it warms up some, I may go back there and hike back there and check it out and see, because they're a lot bigger than the one I was at. Did catch a little small largemouth out of the first one. Was a dink, not a very big bass, but now we know there are fish there. So we will try that one again when it warms up, and then when spring starts to roll around, gets closer and the weather starts getting warmer, and it's like 60 some degree days, I'm gonna hike back down in there and check out those two bigger ponds that are back there in those woods, because I almost guarantee you there were some large fish in those two ponds. But hey, we got one today. Can't complain. It was freaking freezing this morning, probably about 29 degrees, so there's no telling what the water temp was, so that's a good day. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching Bazooka Joe Fishing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button for me, guys. Alright, see you later.